Hey guys, welcome back. And today we'll try to understand one more function in the time functions that are available in Excel. So the today's function that we are going to see is time value. Yeah, as we had date value, if you see, go back and see my previous videos, you have time value as well. Yeah, what time value does is this function transform the time probably written as text string into an Excel serial number. Yeah, for a time. Now, as you know, these are mostly serial numbers from 0 to 0.999, which denotes the time value ranging from 12 at midnight to 11:59 p.m. To the next day's midnight. So it is categorized under the date and time function because it is the date and time function that we are using in Excel. Usually what we do is for time value function, we give the syntax as time value, and then you have to specify the time text. So it is written as time value, brackets, and the time text that you want to convert into a time. Yeah. So let's see some examples. I have written some time values or timings here. Let's see what is the output of this particular various formats that I have for time. Yeah, for similar time, I have used various formats. So if I say is equal to time value and specify this, it will give me it will not give me the value because it is already into a time format. Let's see if it is able to do it for this. No. If it is able to do for this, no. It is able to do it for this serial number, no, because these are already formatted in the time value format. Yeah, if I am able to do for this, again, it is not because it is a negative value. Now, if I have a text with the same thing, I am able to convert it into a time value. This is what I mean. So if anything which is already available in the format which is in time or which is which could be in any format, could be serial number, it could be any of the formats which are available for time, it will give me a value error because they are already in the form of a time. So you need to understand the crux of this formula is it converts a particular text into a time. So this is time text. As I told you, the argument value over here is time text. Hence, if you see here, I have used a text value by adding an apostrophe here. Yeah. So it is considered as a text since it is left aligned. And since it is a text, it is convert using the time value function to convert it into a value. Moreover, this time value function will not convert a negative text having a negative sign or a minus sign at the start of that particular text. Yeah. So you cannot convert a negative value as well as a certain formatting which is already in the form of a time. Yeah. So you need to have a text formatting of a time so that the time value converts it into a serial number. Usually what happens is while data cleaning, yeah, I'll show you what happens is I get this kind of text. Yeah. So what we have to do if I have to get it in a particular format like this or this, what we do is we use it in combination with text function. You can refer my previous video for text functions. So we say text, then we use time value. Yeah. I select this particular time, close the brackets, and then specify the format in which I'll require the time. So I'll say HH, that's for hours, minutes, and seconds. Yeah, you can again refer my text for my video related to text, which will help you to understand how text can be used to convert various data types. Yeah. Here we are converting a particular time into a time value and then giving it a specific format. See this? So this is how it gets converted. Yeah. If I have only used the time value, it would have given me the serial number. Now I'm able to get it in a proper time format. Okay. I also use it at times with text and now. Oh, okay. So what I can do is I can also use it with now. So I would write it as time value if I want to get a specific value as of now. Yeah. So if I say is equal to time value of now, this will give me a serial number. Yeah, this is supposed to give me a serial number, but it returns a text. Since now returns a text, I first need to convert it to a time and then get the time value of that particular time. You see this? I got the serial number for my time as of now. Yeah. So this is how you can use it in combination with your various function to get a specific output what is required for you to do a certain analysis on your data. Yeah. Hope I was able to make this concept clear on time value. Hope you like this video. Do like it, share it across with your colleagues who want to learn Excel. Comment if you want me to cover any topics which are utmost important to you and needs to be covered in this 365 days of Excel journey. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to my channel because that's how you're going to get all these videos directly to your inbox, and that will keep me motivated towards creating such free content for everyone's knowledge. Thank you so much.